What's up YouTube, Tech All-Star here, and for all you newcomers, my channel is drifting and automotive content, so I'll be showcasing my progression as a driver, the things that I may encounter along the way, and eventually I'll be able to go toe-to-toe with the best of the best. So if that's something that interests you, you're more than welcome to stick around and enjoy the show. Alright, what's up YouTube? So in today's video, we're back out for some street drifting, well in the rain.
Yeah, boy!
It's, in my opinion, it's the best practice to do in the rain because you're not going to wear out your tires that easy, and it's a little bit slower, so you can anticipate the car a little bit better. So my boy Tezzy, we're in his S550 Mustang. You can check out the video that we did a while ago when we had picked it up. This car makes like 700 horsepower. It's got centrifugal supercharger.
Yeah, boy.
It's got a lot of suspension goodies, and we're going to see how it go. We're going to try to do some manjis and stuff.
Yeah, I ain't drifted in so long.
So to fill out the grip out here, just do like a quick donut. Like a controlled donut.
I need to start drifting from like the start from the right too, cause
same.
I be so like this used to like turn the wheel that way when I start up.
Yeah, same. Not enough gas in the beginning.
It ain't break out. Oh, you know what? I know exactly what it is.
You need to unplug the thing. You gotta go up under the hood and unplug the thing off. Flip this thing. That plug right there. This one? Yep. Supercharger. That's it. You gotta let it counter steer. The car self-steers pretty well. You gotta be consistent with the throttle. So what you gotta do, initially you floor it,
yeah.
And when you feel it kick out, then you lift off the throttle and get back on it. Again. But you gotta be consistent with it, and once you feel the car kick out, you let it counter steer, or you counter steer. Your car seems to be self-steering pretty well.
Yeah.
My car, I had to help it a lot more because my car does have some damage on it from an accident. There you go. Too much gas when you got back on it. The car's got power, a lot of power. Be consistent with throttle, don't be choppy. Too much. You gotta be steady, just try to be steady with it. Yeah, kind of like that. All right. Now try doing it in the other direction. Yep.
I see what you're saying about the consistent throttle.
Yeah. So you got to be a little bit steadier with the steering as well. So what you want to do with the donuts, you basically want to drive the car with the throttle.
Yeah.
That's the best way to go about it. Dang, these windows fogging up. Oh, be careful. Try to just do it down there for sound.
Yeah, I feel.
So that this building blocks all that.
All I gotta do is like just remember consistent throttle.
Yep, consistent on throttle.
These windows foggy as freak.
That's why when I drift or whatever out here, I leave the windows open. Okay. Yep. Don't turn the steering wheel so much. Yep. All right. So what you need to do, I'll just show you it.
Yeah, I'm about to say.
So when you're doing a donut, you turn into the turn to keep the slide going. You turn out to maintain that angle. I'll show you in a second. The less inputs you do with the throttle, like with the throttle and with the steering, the smoother it gets, up to a certain extent.
I'm about to say, show me your car. I want to see how you use the.
So we got Tez in the car and my brother in the back.
What's up?
Show Tez how you can do the donuts a lot smoother.
Yeah, boy.
So initially floor it. Very slick, actually. So I messed up right there because it's actually pretty slick, a lot slicker than I expected. Hold up. actually did that blind because I had the windshield wipers on. Not just being consistent with the throttle and with the steering. You only turn in, turn out when you need to.
I was doing too much steering.
But you get the feel of it. It takes time to get used to it because you got to get used to the car, be used to how to do it and everything.
Especially the Mustang, that kick out so hard.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, this area right here is really slick because of all the water on the ground. More angle down on it. Need it first right there.
Oh my God, bro. Bruh. I ain't gonna lie, you actually throw out that 360, I would've had to suck you up, nigga. I ain't gonna lie, I would've had to put a whole dummy on your shit, Trevor. I ain't gonna lie, nigga. Ain't no way. Oh, let's go. We got another Mustang out here. The most crazy shit.
Might attempt to do a 360, maybe.
You had it. You had it. You had it.
All right.
Let me turn the flash on. 360, nigga. You throw out this 360 on me.
Yo! Oh my God!
I'm about to talk this nigga up, bro.
Yo! First 360. Well, technically my second one, but that one was on purpose.
Trevor, nigga!